share the video if you like, and turn on the notification for the latest videos and giveaway. So let's get started. So today we are going to review these cool different characters, Fidget spinners that we got. Like this one, they are from eBay. I can find it in Amazon. So this one is an Overwatch one. So it look very cool. But this more kind of like this is molded, not the machine CNC. So they probably only like around like $5 each on the eBay. Sometimes they give you free shipping. Sometimes it's $1. It take a while to get here. The other one is the Overwatch Genji Spinner. So this one is different because this one looks like it's a carve out from the aluminum alloy. So you can see that this is machine. So this is machine CNC. So this one will probably last longer than the regular one. So this is the regular, is the shiny one. That because it's machine molded and we depends they don't do the nice coating, and usually these will break very easily after a while. So just so you can see that this metal screw usually it break very easily if you didn't screw it properly or tilt it or jam and try to screw it hard, it will just break. So this one is at less than $5. And this one probably is a better. So you can see this is not plastic, this is aluminum. So very light and very quiet. This is a vintage of aluminum. Some make a light aluminum sound, but yeah, usually very quiet. This is just metal, and you don't know what kind of metal it is. They probably zinc or some sort. And these two are the Zelda Shield. So you can see that it's very cool painting. Very like they do pretty good jobs with their logo. I think it's holders. So this is Zelda style, kind of browns. A very cool design. You can see that. Right. So we'll see how that. And this is another Zelda one. So this is one at $5 on eBay. This one I believe is the same pattern. One is color, one is just pure the browns. So they probably spin the same. Alright, and the other one is the kind of Transformers style spinners. So this one, they will have a tiger mark, probably all from the same manufacturers. So a lot of our like the Crusader one, and this one is pretty nice, but this still this one. So this one is not the CNC. This is those are molded metal spinners. They are less than $10. So and the last one is this is the World of Warcraft style on the spinner. This is aluminum. So what's that? $3 plus shipping. So like let's say $5. So let's see how they compete with our premium spinners and see if. So this is like less than $10 spinners, but it's cool like design with the different characters that you're familiar with. Alright, so let's get started. Spinner, Sunkong, Spinner, Triton. So this one is very loud. So this one is probably like not very good quality. They just do a mass production. So they'll come with is a generic case and put it together, slide it and ship it. So this is our regular Genji spinners. So look at the better quality spinners. We stop only for a minute. So this one is very lightweighted, super light. You can see that this one only 1.1. Even that for this one, let me see. This one 1.2. This one lighter. This is pure aluminum. You can twist open. So probably replace the bearing, but this is very light. There's no like center of gravity. There's nothing the weight to pull. So, but it is very quiet. I think it will very nice spinner, but it just doesn't spin that long. And our Overwatch style. So this one very thin, just like our the Spider-Man, the one that we reviewed last time. So this is kind of very thin, unlike the regularly Tri-Spinners. This is Fidget. So you can see that this is just kind of half of thickness. So these, I think they're the same with a different patterns. Nice, cool, the kind of brush metal look. See? So this type of spinner is not. This one break very easily. So once it break, you kind of like have luck. You can try to glue it back, but this you can see that the screw is very bad. So this one broke already after first use. And this is a World of Warcraft. So this one is it's a piece of cut out aluminum. So this one look like kind of cool, kind of press fitted. There's a press fit bearing, but this one is okay. Not the highest quality, but it's acceptable. So you probably can use a press fit to replace a bearing, but since this is light, they're not going to spin that long. And this is those are bar spinner. It's not going to have a lot of good balance. It's okay. So this one is very quiet and cool and light. And this is the Zelda one. Pretty loud. So it's a piece of metal. Open it. Probably similar. This one is a bigger screw. Probably last longer. This one is a press fit. And this look how antique-ish style. Oops. And same as this one. So this one is pretty loud. This one, I think this one probably is the best quality from all. And this one, I think this one is a little bit more expensive, but you can see that they'll have this cheaper cap. That this one is much thicker, so it will last longer. So that's it for our foldable the characters Fidget Spinner found on eBay. So let's see which one is your favorite. Just leave it on your comment section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. And remember to hit the subscribe button here. Also check out our other great videos right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.